Now children, this is another explanation in which I have taken the position of object at infinity. So if the object is lying at infinity, then where is the image formed? So first of all, when the object is at infinity, so you will take the object at infinity like this. Here, this is the real object which is lying at infinity. Okay, so this is object, and what we are going to take, we are going to take that many rays coming from the object parallel to principal, because distant object always send the rays parallel to each other and parallel to principal axis if the incidence takes place like this. One ray, second ray. Similarly, here also the light ray come from the distant object. So all these rays are parallel to principal axis, and you all know very well all the rays which are incident on the lens parallel to principal axis, after refraction they will converge at a point on the principal axis which is called the focus of the convex lens. See this, these all refracted and converges at a point which is called the focus. So when the object is placed at infinity, it always forms the image at the focus. So this is the focal length and this is the position of the object at infinity, and these all are the rays which are parallel to principal axis coming from the distant object. So what will be the conditions? Nature is real and inverted, and size diminished, very small point size, and position at focus. Okay, so this is one diagram which we have drawn. Now the second condition I am taking, if the object lying at F. If the object lying at F, so see, I have drawn, I have taken the equal distance from O to F and between F and 2F, here also and here also. जितना डिस्टेंस आप इधर लेंगे O और F के बीच में, उतना ही डिस्टेंस O और F के बीच में इधर होना चाहिए, and this is 2F. Okay, now object is lying at F. See this. Okay, I have taken the object placed at the focus. Now one ray you will take parallel to principal axis, and another ray you will take passing through the optical center. So this ray will go undeviated, and the parallel ray that is incident on lens, after refraction it will go through the focus on the other side. Now these two rays, they will not meet here, but they will travel a large distance and they will appear to meet at infinity. Okay, so these two rays, they will appear to meet at infinity, so that the image is formed at infinity. Clear? Now what will be the nature? The nature real, because they will actually meet, real and inverted, size larger, and position is at infinity. So this is the formation of image through the convex lens for these two different positions.